Hi, what's up, guys? Today's day 47 or 48. I'm not sure anymore, but today is April 21st. Let's get straight into today's recap. Coming in, we had session lows, we had all-time highs, we had war news at pretty much this whole range. In all honesty, there was multiple reported news. Then there was this 5 minute unfilled. This 5 minute unfilled, 15 minute unfilled session lows, sell side liquidity, 1 hour, daily fair value gap. In all honesty, I wanted to see maybe session lows get swept and then all time highs, which immediately, boom, sweeps session lows, sweeps 15. So now I'm at this point, I'm looking for highs for longs. Sweeps is 15, consolidates, consolidates. Then I enter off of the 2 here. It was the not the 2. It was the 4. I wanted the 5 because the 5 was the. It's not gonna load. The 5 was the highest for value gap, but I didn't really like the RR on that. As of the 5, the 4 inversed closed. Um, the 4 inversed and closed. So I entered targeting these data highs, and luckily we hit. We hit we hit full TP. I kind of wanted to leave a runner all the way to all time highs, but I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna get greedy. We ended the day on 50.6. I took one more trade on paper though, and on NQ. Um, Pretty much after that we just swept. This one would have been good too. I know Blake no Patty took this 1 minute inverse down to pretty much these lows. It was from 1 to 4. I hope he didn't take break. Actually, I think he took this one for a 1 to 2, 1 to 1. This one would have been good, in my opinion. Would have been a little risky, but I mean that one would have hit TP. After this, I'm kind of looking for shorts. I had some free time while I was at work, so I just went ahead. Swept session. There wasn't really any real liquidity left. Just this unfoot 15, a couple unfoot 5s. This 5, this 5. So this 5 and this 5. But at this point, I mean, I wanted shorts because we swept pretty much, uh, you know, low resistance liquidity here. This, bunch of 5s that were formed. So swept session highs. I mean, session lows. This one, I mean, would have been good in my opinion after sweeping, um, lows. Oh, actually, no, never mind. Maybe there was a 30-second here that you could have taken to a 5, but sweeps the 5, sweeps the 15, I believe. Sweeps the 15. So here touches the 15. We get a 2 minute inverse, or 3 minute inverse. What did I take here? I think it was a 3 minute. It was a 3 minute inverse. Here, I took it here. On paper, I didn't want to risk. I already won. Just wanted a forward test, and luckily we didn't get stopped out, and we got TP there. Ended the day on 2 wins, 0 losses. Hopefully this continues. That's pretty much it for today. Tomorrow, no news. Um, I need to stop saying but we have multiple multiple high impact news, such as we had a bunch of the Pakistan Prime Minister trying to have peace talks. Trump not wanting a ceasefire. Iran, talking about how they're making progress and this and that. But I don't know. We'll just keep it pushing. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna keep trading minis or micros. Micros is being too wiki. So maybe we're gonna make the switch over to minis, even though, like, I mean, that's a 50-point stop. That's pretty much $1,000 risk, but we'll see. Tomorrow's a new day, so hopefully we keep getting blessed, and hopefully, if not, hopefully we learn something from it. So I'll catch you guys in the next recap. Peace.